Student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Doing study at home. Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of GK. It means general knowledge. So students, take out your GK book, Discovery. Okay, take out your GK book and Discovery. So student, today I will teach you new chapter, Colorful Flowers, chapter 7, Colorful Flowers. So students, what the name chapter is chapter 7, Colorful Flowers. So without time wasting, take out your GK book. It means Discovery book. Open chapter 7. Let's start to read chapter 7. Colorful flowers. Okay. Colorful flowers. Flowers are very beautiful. Flowers are very attractive. They are most beautiful part of plants. Flowers are very attractive. They are the most beautiful part of plants. They are of various shapes, size and colors. Okay. Flowers have plates inside the parts of the flower that has platelets or the parts which product pollen and seeds. In all plants, flowers is usually its most colorful parts. We say the plant's flower is flowering or is in flower when its colorful parts begins to grow bigger and open out. Okay. So students, some familiar flowers are given below. Use the help kit to filling the space. So student, look here, some different types of flowers. So looking here beautiful and colorful. See right here, help kit. So choose the correct flowers name and write the correct flowers. Okay. So one flower's name, choose the write the answer. You can see, look at the first pictures. Tulip. First pictures, tulip. Right here, tulip. Tulip. Once again, write spelling of tulip. 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 Okay. Now second one, flowers. Second flowers, dahlia. Second flowers of dahlia. So spelling of dahlia right here, Dahlia. Dahlia. So spelling of dahlia, Dahlia. Dahlia. Once again repeated, spelling of dahlia, Dahlia. Dahlia. Okay students, is that clear? Now third one, What is this? This is daffodil. This is daffodil. Your color is yellow. Okay, looking so beautiful. Write your spelling of daffodil. D O double F O D O double F O D I L daffodil. Once again, write your spelling of daffodil. D O double F O D I L daffodil. Daffodil color is yellow. Okay. Now fourth one, rose. Rose. Spelling of rose. R O S E. Rose. Rose flower is beautiful and many colors: red, yellow, blue, white, orange and pink. Okay. Spelling of rose once again, R O S E, rose. After that, sunflower. Your color is yellow. Spelling of sunflower, S U N F L O W E R. Sunflower. Once again, repeated I. Spelling of sunflower, SUNFLOWER. Sunflower. Okay. One and sixth one picture is lily. What color is lily? Pink. What color is lily? Pink. Spelling of lily, LILY. Lily. Spelling of lily, LILY. Lily. Your color is pink. Okay, is that clear? Now seventh one, your picture is gulmohar. Spelling of gulmohar, GULMOHAR. Gulmohar. Once again, repeated I spelling gulmohar, GOULMOHAR. Gulmohar. Is that clear, students? After that, next picture is jasmine. Jasmine smell is very sweet. What color is jasmine? White. What color is jasmine? White. Spelling of jasmine, JASMINE. Jasmine. Spelling of jasmine, JASMINE. Jasmine. Is that clear? Once again, write your spelling of jasmine, JASMINE. Jasmine. Spelling of jasmine, JASMINE. Jasmine. Is that clear? Now next one, lotus. Now next one, lotus. Your color is pink and white, blue. Okay. Spelling of lotus right here, lotus. Lotus, lotus. Is that clear, students? Lotus, lotus. Tulip, daffodil, dahlia, daffodil, rose, sunflower, lily, gulmohar, jasmine and lotus. Is that clear, students? That you know, students, flowers look very beautiful and it is a good smell. We keep flower in a house in a flower pot. So, no, let's learn about some flowers. It means rose. Rose. Rose comes in different colors like pink, red, white, yellow, orange, and it has a beautiful smile. It has a beautiful smell. Okay. Lotus. Lotus is a national flower. Lotus is a national flower of India. Lotus grow and flute of water. Lotus grow and flute of water. That's color is lotus. Lotus is a national flower of India. Lotus is a national flower of India. Lotus grows and fluted of water. That's color is pink, white and blue. Okay. Sunflower. Sunflower. A sunflower is yellow color. As you can, a sunflower is yellow color. As you know, students, his face always pointed to as the sun. As you know, students, his face always pointed to as the sun. Your color is yellow. What color is sunflower? Yellow. Jasmine. Jasmine. Jasmine has a very nice smell. Jasmine has a very nice smell. The color is white. Okay, students? All the pictures. So, students, look at the pictures and flowers. Tulip, dahlia, daffodil, rose. Tulip, dahlia, daffodil, rose, sunflower, lily and gulmohar, jasmine and lotus. Learn the flowers name of spelling. Okay. We will learn flowers name. Sunflower, rose. Rose. Spelling of rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Lotus. Spelling of lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Sunflower. Spelling of sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Always face your sun. Like that, sunflower. Jasmine. Your color is white. Spelling of jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Is that clear, students? Learn all the flowers name with spelling. Okay, bye. Thank you and take care, students.